Today we're going to review a patient that 6 months ago we did a smart FEE indication lowering hairline. This is the hairline from here to here. This is the window space. This was the birthmark before. We have planted and hide the birthmark. Now there is no more birthmark can be visualized. This birthmark is already hidden inside. This is the frontal temple angle. From here to here we lower down about 2.5 centimeter. From this frontal angle we lower down to here. This frontal angle we lower down to here. As you can see, this is all the planted hair. Yeah, how is it now? It's already 6 months?
I love it, doctor. Now I can tie my hair. Yeah, I'm very happy. Thank you, doctor, and thank you, GLOJAS.